Hi, I'm going to do my reflection on the literacy assessments and interventions. Through this course, we worked on many different kinds of assessments. We did the QPS, the PAST, fluency, DIBELS, word meanings, and comprehension. Each one of these tests and assessments showed us what our tutoring student was able to do. My tutoring student happened to be my daughter. I knew she was already in Title I and had always scored pretty low on all of her reading assessments that they had done in her school. I never truly understood what any of these test scores meant to her as a student or how I could help her as her mother. Through using her as my tutoring student and doing these different assessments, I was able to understand what she needed from me as both her teacher through this tutoring session and as her mom on days that you wouldn't be doing the tutoring session with your students. I learned that she knows her letters. She knows most of her blends. She still has issues with a few blends, but that goes along with her speech. I did not realize that a student's speech and how they learn to read coordinates so much together. And without one, the other one would struggle. Her DIBELS score and fluency all rose throughout the semester, probably because we were reading so much. Word meanings, she understood the basics, and even doing the different testing knew above what some words meant randomly in a story. Comprehension, she was always able to tell me the setting, the characters, and what was going on in the books. The lesson plans we wrote. This was the first time that I was able to actually write a lesson plan and have it taught with actual students. Because of COVID, I've never been able to actually put my lesson plan in action. So this semester was really amazing that I was able to do that, even if it was just with one student. I saw growth and was able to do more throughout my lesson plans with my tutoring student. We started this semester reading books like this with just a couple words on each page, and she would still get so frustrated with not being able to just read fluently and as well as her twin brother. Through all these assessments in our weekly Mom and Madison lesson plans, which she was very excited for, we just started together Little House in the Big Woods. Now, these are full pages of reading, and she's excited. She's never been excited about reading. And I really think it's because of all the work that we've done this last semester. I was able to help her through my lesson plans, and knowing how she scored on the assessments, I was able to help her with her blends, help her better understand that it's okay to sound out every letter, but not every letter has a sound. We played games through the lessons of the blends, which is what she struggled with the most. And even though she's still not a very strong, fluent reader, she's getting there. But I think the biggest thing I pulled away from this whole class, maybe it was because I am a mom myself, is I really wish teachers would be able to explain the assessments a little more to parents. If I would have understood better how she tested and passed assessments, I could have possibly been helping her at home. So I think for me as a future teacher, students that are struggling on the DIBELS, the PAST, the QPS, I would love to be able to send them the Florida Research Center's little packets of games and stuff and have them work at home, because we only have so much time in the classroom, and reading to your child at home and helping them better understand everything is really what's going to help the students succeed. But I learned so much through this assessment and interventions class, and I can't wait to see where it takes me and my daughter. Thank you.